This is the Racor filter assembly plant, located in Modesto, California. Racor is a division of the Parker-Hannifin Corporation. In these roomy, modern facilities, Racor people design, manufacture, sell, and service some of the most innovative and high-quality fuel filter water separators in the world. Racor products are distributed in over 60 countries by a network of over 2,000 distributors and dealers. Racor has a field sales staff of 15 people. From the lobby in the administration building, one has access to the offices housing our accounting and purchasing, and the marketing, sales, and customer service departments. Our friendly and knowledgeable customer service staff handles customer requests for information and helps to troubleshoot and to resolve customer questions on installation or application. Customer service strives for a 5-day turnaround on replacement for items returned under warranty. At Racor, our concern for quality does not stop when the product goes out the door. Racor has modern, multimedia in-house training facilities where meetings on quality, safety, sales, and other topics are held regularly. In addition, these facilities can be used to introduce visitors to Racor's extensive product line. Racor products include the Turbine series of fuel filter water separators. These heavy-duty units are designed to remove water and particulates from diesel fuel in a patented 3-stage process. The Racor Spin-On series allows the customer to select from a variety of filtration levels, as well as bowl, water sensor, and heater options. Racor Spin-Ons are mounted by means of a die-cast head, or are spun directly onto the existing filter head of many popular diesel engines. Of course, both the original and replacement elements contain our patented Aqua Block media. Many of Racor's spin-on filter water separators are used extensively in the marine market. The 6000 series, with its unique, spirally arranged coalescing core, is another recent Racor innovation in fuel water separation. These units are available with or without 2 powerful fuel heaters. The 800 series, with fuel flow capacities from 90 gallons per hour up to 3,000 gallons per hour, is designed to handle the blending and water separation needs of stationary machinery and large fuel depots. In addition to fuel filter water separators, Racor handles a variety of products that have been specially designed to meet our customers' other needs. For example, the RD3 air dryers, which are mainly used on diesel trucks. Thermoline heaters provide for free-flowing fuel under frigid conditions. The Sentinel engine protection system guards against damage to diesel engines caused by loss of oil pressure, loss of coolant, or overheating. Racor also produces diesel fuel additives and biocides to stabilize and condition fuel. The proven performance of Racor's extensive product line demonstrates that Racor is the world's leading specialist in fuel filter water separation. The production building at Racor contains over 100,000 square feet of space. With ample room for expansion. Racor production starts here, with incoming materials in the receiving department. Throughout each step of the production and assembly processes, Racor's quality assurance program plays a definitive role. For example, the parts just received in these boxes are given a lot control number and marked with an orange hold sticker. They are not available for production until the quality assurance staff inspects them and ensures they meet their specific standards. A green sticker indicates the goods are ready to go into production or into the warehouse for storage. Quality assurance is a continuous process at Racor. Although the quality assurance staff oversees and coordinates the program, all Racor employees participate in quality control. Here, the calipers and gauges that will be used out on the production floor in both automated and manual inspections are checked and recalibrated if necessary. Sophisticated instruments like this coordinate measuring machine are used to verify part specifications. Racor instituted an SPC, or Statistical Process Control Program, for all phases of manufacturing. As a result, Racor has been recommended for Ford's Q1 rating and is already an accepted supplier for companies like Navistar, John Deere, Ford, General Motors, and Mercedes-Benz. Our files contain the documented inspection results required by such OEMs. After the initial inspections, the approved raw materials or parts are delivered to the various stations in our processing departments. A wide variety of plastic parts are molded in our 6 injection molding machines. At Racor, we mold 95% of our own plastic parts. Here, plastic parts are being inspected by a machine operator, and the measurements are recorded for SPC analysis. In the die casting department, operators produce filter heads, bases, lids, and rings for the air dryers, the spin-on, and turbine series filters. Again, part dimensions are regularly checked. Die-cast second operations include finishing steps such as deburring, drilling, tapping, and other machining on the cast metal parts. Here, on a unique machine specifically designed for Racor, a filter head receives its finishing touches in a series of extremely precise automated operations according to its computerized program. A wide variety of automated, computer-directed operations can be performed on our CNC machining and turning centers. The CNC machines produce heads and bowls for the Navistar and 6000 series, as well as other close tolerance, high volume components. This SPC check is being done at an automated data collection terminal. Nearby, the screw machines turn T-handles, standpipes, and other parts. As always, the operators regularly check the part dimensions. Our modern and fully equipped tool and die department helps keep production running smoothly. About 75% of Racor's production tooling is done in-house, as well as virtually all the replacement and inspection tooling. Racor has a full-service welding and fabrication department. Here, recently fabricated parts are being checked at an automated data collection terminal. In the paint room or surface finishing department, parts are cleaned, phosphatized, dried, and a chip-resistant powder paint is electrostatically applied and baked on in a continuous process. After the paint is cured in the oven, the parts are removed from the conveyor and palletized for transfer. Finished parts from manufacturing are then moved to the warehouse to await the final assembly process. Racor's unique element paper supply is stored in a nearby environmentally controlled room. Pre-assembly of small parts is the next step towards the finished product. Here the rope heaters for the RD3 air dryers are being assembled. In addition, some of our replacement part kits are packaged here. Nearby, the Sentinel line of products is put together. Unlike the filter water separator subunits, the size of the Sentinel products allows them to be completely assembled, tested, and boxed for shipping on a single line. 100% of the master control valves are performance tested. After pre-assembly of the filter water separator subunits, the various components are brought together at one of several manual assembly lines, or to our new automated line located in another part of the plant. Here on the cartridge element line, the element media is pleated, cut, and assembled. The elements are fitted with plastisol-filled end caps and move into the plastisol curing oven. Plastisol weights are carefully monitored. On this line, the turbine series filter water separators are assembled. Each unit is tested for leaks before moving to the boxing station. For applications requiring a higher fuel flow rate, filters are manifolded together in the manifold assembly department. In this area, our 800 series filter blenders can be configured as stationary or mobile units. Spin-on filters begin with an element subassembly that contains pleated media. The subassembly is inserted into a can, which is then sealed using an automatic can seaming machine. The canned unit is then painted using an electrostatic powder paint system. Next, the paint is oven cured, after which a silkscreen is applied. The finished filters are now ready for boxing. In this area, spin-on filter separators with aluminum die-cast heads are assembled. Of course, each unit is tested to detect potential leaks. Model 6000 water separators are assembled, tested, and boxed on this assembly line. This is the automated filter assembly line, which is currently being used to produce a high-volume spin-on filter. It can be programmed to handle the assembly of 2 different products simultaneously. In its present configuration, this line is producing up to 100 assemblies per hour, representing a significant labor reduction per unit made. At the first station, the main assembly casting, with some of the parts hand-tightened, is clamped down in a precise position on a pallet. Automatic wrenches tighten the spud to the proper torque. The unit then moves to the next station, in response to the computer program which controls the movement of the pallets. At this station, as an automated wrench spins on subunits to the specified torque, an air jet blows contaminants from the fuel passageways, and a vacuum hose removes them from the unit. The units move to the next station, where the filter element assembly is installed, and the orientation of the water probe is adjusted by the operator. The units then move to an automated test chamber. Each unit undergoes a test for potential leaks at 2 air pressures, using a pressure decay system that is reference chamber compensated to ensure reliability. Test results can be recorded for SPC analysis. Units that pass the leak tests move on to the last station, where they are removed from the pallets and prepared for shipping. Rejected units that have failed the leak tests are automatically routed to a rework station. After assembly, testing, and packaging are completed, boxes of finished Racor products move to the shipping department, where they are prepared for delivery to Racor dealers and distributors all over the world. On the second floor of the production building, overlooking the filter assembly area, are the offices housing our personnel, production control, manufacturing, and manufacturing engineering staffs. These people are essential in keeping the Racor product line flowing smoothly and on schedule from incoming materials to finished goods. For example, manufacturing engineering constantly works to increase our production capacity and decrease production costs. Here, a new roller table is being built by the maintenance staff to improve the cartridge element line. Of course, Racor's ability to lead the way in fuel filter and water separator technologies depends heavily on the creative minds in our engineering department. The Research and Development Group takes original concepts and ideas generated by customer needs and turns them into innovative new products. The Product Engineering Group, also called the Active Products Group, coordinates the release of each new product after it has been tested by the R&D staff. This group also works to improve existing products, suggests possible cost reductions, and works with customers to modify existing products to meet special customer needs. Racor's engineering department participates in the Modesto Junior College student internship program, providing an opportunity for selected students to learn drafting and engineering skills in a real-world environment. The R&D laboratory is equipped to test new and existing Racor products in a variety of ways. Design integrity is tested on a vibration test stand. Water removal and particulate tests are carefully performed to ensure Racor products meet or exceed current industry standards. Several test stands are being hooked up to our laboratory computers to permit automated test data collection. Racor is more than a place and a product line. It is also a company of people. We appreciate our employees' hard work and commitment to quality, and our people enjoy a clean, safe, pleasant work environment. As a result, you can count on Racor to continue to lead the way in producing a top-quality line of innovative fuel filter water separators and engine performance products.